Hey guys, Mr. Graves here. I'm making the fifth of the six videos for Unit 5. We're talking about exterior angle theorems today. So you obviously have the picture here where I am going to go ahead and annotate. This right here, the measurement of 120, let me actually write the actual thing. 120 degrees, right? That's the measurement of angle UVR. And UVR measures to 120, okay? So 120 is considered the exterior angle because it's outside the triangle, right? It's called the exterior angle. Now, that exterior angle, that 120, is going to measure up to whatever this is and whatever this is, okay? So 120 is going to equal the measurement of angle U plus the measurement of angle T. Well, we know angle T is 50 degrees, right? And angle X is, I'm sorry, angle U is, I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna call it X, is equal to 120. So to figure out the X, I'm going to subtract 50 from both sides. So 120 minus 50 is 70. So they're saying this guy is 70 degrees. And we can check our work with this too, right? We can check our work. So over here, I'm going to check work. To check my work, I'm going to have the measurement of angle UVR is going to equal the measurement of angle U plus the measurement of angle T. We said that U is equal to 70 degrees and T is equal to 50 degrees. So that should equal 120. So yes, 120 is equal to 120. So our work checks out fine. Very easy stuff, right? Start off easy and then it gets like ridiculously hard, right? For no reason. So let me erase this here. And now that we have that out of the way, I can just simply go ahead and knock the rest of this sheet out. So I'll do different variations of easy and hard problems. So that way, when you guys do Unit 5 assignments on your own, you know exactly what to do. Clear this all out. Today's been a good day. Let's go do a lot of good fun stuff soon. Happy. Now, I'm going to do number 2 in red. So we have the measurement of angle UTP is equal to the measurement of angle V plus the measurement of angle U, right? So no angle UTP is 115 degrees. Measurement of angle VA is 50. And the measurement of angle U over here is the question mark, is I don't know what that is, right? So if I subtract 50 on both sides, I should get my answer. Because the opposite of positive 50 is minus 50. So my question mark, get my calculator. Ooh, I just turned the light. It's getting darker outside. Not good. So 115 minus 50 gives me 65. And we are done with that. Live music in the background, right? Then on number 3, I have the measurement of angle TUY is the question mark. I don't know what that is, right? Oops. Should go ahead and write it this way. Okay, good. Is equal to the measurement of angle T plus the measurement of angle S, right? So these two over here together, oh gosh, there we go. Together is going to equal this guy right over here, right? So that one measurement of angle TUY is the question mark. I don't know what that is. But I know angle T is 50 degrees. And angle 70, angle S is 70. I add that up, I get 120. And that makes perfect sense too. Because this guy is an obtuse angle. See how wide it is? So that lets me know that it's going to be a pretty big angle. And of course, this 120 is bigger than 90. That makes this whole thing obtuse. Now, number 4, I like to play my colors. So we're doing the measurement of angle SRP. Is going to equal the measurement of angle S plus the measurement of angle T, right? By the way, notice, those tend to be the exterior angle is always the angle that's the two angles furthest away from the exterior angle. It cannot be angle R. It can only be angle S and angle T. So angle SRP is the question mark. I don't know what that is. Angle S is 25.
Unknown color.
Sorry about that. Something happened where I got a call that came through and I don't even know what that is, so I don't pick it up. So they can talk to the voicemail. I don't pick up calls on people I know who they are. So 25 plus 80, my question mark is going to be 105. And sure enough, the person whoever called, what are they talking to? Are they talking? I want to see this. Because there's so many scammers these days. I don't even know why people cannot even just leave a text message. Okay. Oh, so they're leaving a message. They're gonna get. I'm not in college anymore. I'm done with school. Okay, so now we're doing number 5. We have the measurement of angles DCT, right, is equal to the measurement of the two angles furthest away are angles D plus the measurement of angle E, right? So that's going to be a question. So measurement of angles DCT is 140, right? Angle D is 45, and angle E is the question mark. I don't know what that is. So I subtract 45 from both sides. Should give me my answer, right? So my question mark is going to be 140 minus 45. So I get my calculator. It should be under 100. And sure enough, it is 95. Gotta make sure I have the right answer because I'm doing this in front of a whole video of people all over the world. Scary. All right, now my last one is going to be angle number 6. I still have like how many more pages? I still have 2 more pages of this to do because this is the easy stuff, right? This is the easy stuff. So the measurement of the outside angle TSJ is equal to the measurement of angle T plus the measurement of angle U. So 110 equals 80 plus the question mark. I subtract both sides by 80. Goes away. So the question mark is 118 minus 80, which is 30 degrees. So I hope all this is helping you guys out here. Fortunately, this guy forgot to circle the answer. Sorry. There we go. Now I'm going to go to the second page. And now we throw in some algebra. So you guys know this is one of my favorites when they're throwing the whole x's and such. So we still use the same concept, right? We still use the fact that our exterior angle, so that means these two added together is going to equal this guy right here, right? So I'm going to do the measurement of angle QRH is equal to the measurement of angle P plus the measurement of angle Q. I plug in my numbers. I'm going to do 8 plus 6x. Angle P is 30. Measurement of angle Q is 4x. Sorry, I can't see. That's 2. I'm sorry, that's 2. So that's 4x plus 2. Good. You've set it up perfectly. Now we're going to do the first thing. And the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to combine like terms. So step 1, when we solve for x like this, combine. I don't know why my video went out. It's probably a thing that happened with that cell phone call came in. So when I do that, I'll get 32 here plus 4x equals 8 plus 6x. Now I can do the same for both sides now to solve for x. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4x on both sides. So my second step here, subtract 4x, subtract the x values. When I do that, this goes away. I bring down the 32 and the 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. So the third step I'm going to do now, subtract 8. Bring down to 2x. 32 minus 8 is 24. And my final step, step 4, I'm going to divide by 2. And when I do that, I finally have an answer. X equals 12. And that's it. So the cool thing about this is I can check my work. Oh my gosh, yes, I can check my work. So I'm going to do check work here. We said that the x is equal to 12, right? So I can plug in x for the measurement. So I have the measurement of angle QRH, which is 8 plus 6x, right? So we'll do 8 plus 6 times 12. Place the x with 12. So that'll be 8 plus 12 times 6 is 72, which is 78. Then I'm going to do the measurement of angle Q, which is 4x plus 2. I'm going to do 4 times 12 plus 2, which is 48 plus 2, which is 50. And if I come back and I plug it in to check my work, I know the measurement of angle QRH is equal to the measurement of angle P plus the measurement of angle Q. So that means that 78, right, is equal to 30 plus 50. Ooh, I made a mistake. Let me see, what mistake did I make? 8 plus 6x. Oh, 72 plus 8 is not 78, it's 80. Man, my idiot self. 80, there we go. So that should also change to be 80. There we go. And yeah, it works out right. 80 is equal to 80. So our work checks out perfectly. Really cool stuff. So yes, that's how we do those ones. Okay. So I'm going to scroll this down and I'm going to go ahead and do number 10 in one whole color. So let me do number 10 in green. So number 10, I'm going to have the measurement of angle TUA. Oh, that song is so depressing. Measurement of angle T plus the measurement of angle S. So angle TUA is right here, 11x plus 2. Angle T is 5x plus 10. And angle S is 58. All right. So first I'm going to combine like terms. 10 and 58 is 10 plus 58 is 68. Plus 5x equals 11x plus 2. This song is so depressing. Gosh, so depressing. It's terrible emo music. Subtract 2 on both sides. This goes away completely. Bring down 11x. Bring down 5x. And of course, sorry, 68 minus 2 is 66. Then I'm going to go ahead now, then my next step, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 5x on both sides. Which makes this 6x is equal to 66. So divide both sides by the common term, which is 6. Goes away. So x is 11, and I'm done. Now, I do have to check my work. Do I even have space to do that? Yeah, I do. I can make space. I can make space. Shoot. Just math. There we go. So I'm gonna check my work in a different color. Let me do this one, purple. Check work. For check work, I know that x is equal to 11. So I'm going to do the measurement of angle TUA. Find that one first. I know that's 11x plus 2. Replace the x with 11. So I'm doing 11 plus 2, which is 121 plus 2, which is 123. And now check my work. Oops, let me, come on. I just want to move it. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm going to do the measurement of the other angle, angle T, which is 5x plus 10. I'm going to do 5 times 11 plus 10. So that's 55 plus 10, which is 65. Right there. So now I think we have all we need to check out work. So I know the measurement of angle TUA is equal to the measurement of angle T plus the measurement of angle S. So that means 123 is going to equal 65 plus 58. So I'm going to get my calculator. What is 65 plus 58? Yep, it's 123. So this checks out perfectly fine. Okay, I'm going to do number 11. Gosh, let me just do number 11 black. There we go. 11 I'm doing in black. So here on the top, we have the measurement of angle CBW is equal to the measurement of angle C plus the measurement of angle D. So that's going to be 18x plus 5 is equal to 46 plus -1 plus 8x. I put it in parentheses, and you'll see why in just a moment. But they're going to be combined like terms, right? So is anyone texting me, voicemails, nothing? Okay, so just yourself from scratch, then that's simple. So we'll combine like terms first. 46 minus 1, right, is 45. Then we have the 8x, which we have not messed with yet, right? 18x plus 5. I'm going to go ahead, subtract 5 on both sides. You can see. Goes away. Bring down the 18x and the 8x. 45 minus 5 is 40. Then we're going to go ahead now. I'm going to subtract 8x on both sides. All right, a 90s song, because I'm a 90s baby. Goes right here. Bring this guy down. And 18 minus 8 is, of course, going to be 10. X. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 10. I'm sorry, not by 10. I divide both sides by 4. Not by 10, so by 10 to get 4. X is 4. There we go. Since the X is 4, we can check out work now. I'm going to go over here, check work. You know, math can tend to be messy, but if you get the right answer, who cares, right? So since the X is equal to 4, you have the measurement of angle CBW, which is equal to 18x plus 5. I'm going to replace the X with 4, right? 18 times 4 should be 72, but let me look at let me make sure I'm right. Yeah, 72. 72 plus 5 is 77. Then when I do the measurement of the other angle of angle D, which is -1 plus 8x, that's -1 plus 8 times 4. So that's -1 plus 32, which is 31. Now to check my work, final thing I gotta do is I gotta see if they all match up. So I know the measurement of angle CBW is equal to the measurement of angle C plus the measurement of angle D. So that's going to be 77 is equal to C, which is 46 plus 31, right? So 77 is indeed equal to 77. So this work checks out perfectly fine. Okay, guys, that is, wait. Do I have one more? Ah, yes, I do. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not gonna waste too much time uh on 12, 13, and 14. In fact, I'll just do one of them because I didn't anticipate making it do a third page on this, but whatever, it's fine. I'll just do number 14. So 14, I'm gonna have 20x plus 5 is equal to 40. And I'm not gonna check my work as well. I'm just not. If I get it wrong, I'll take the blame as a bad teacher. So 40 minus 2 is 38, right? Plus 9x is equals to 20x plus 5. Now, after I've combined like terms, I can mess with my integers by subtracting 5 on both sides. So using 20x is equal to 38 minus 5 is 33 plus 9x. Now I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to subtract 9x on both sides. Oh, this song is so depressing. So this is going to be 11x equals 33. And my final step I have to do is just to divide. So if I divide both sides by 11, x equals 3. And I'm good to go. Now, the cool thing about this, I'm going to go now straight up to here to find specifically on number 15 to find angle S, all right? So we are only concerned right now with this guy. But we still have to use the formula because that guy and this guy added together gives me this guy right here, right? So let me go ahead and do my math. There's a measurement of angle JRS. That's the exterior angle JRS is equal to the measurement of angle S plus the measurement of angle T, right? So MRS, I know, is 140. Angle S is 3x plus 4. Angle T is 8x plus 4. I can go ahead and combine like terms first, right? So my like terms I'm going to combine are 3x and 8x, which gives me 11x, right? And then 4 plus 4 is 8. So that's equal to 140. Oh, I love that song in the background, Decapitated. 40. Now I'm going to go ahead and subtract 8 on both sides. I love when I use purple because that's the color of my team. 132 equals to 11x. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 11. And my answer should be 12. But let me see, x should be 12. But let me take my calculator. Because, sometimes when it comes to even my math, I can be shaky. Yeah, it's 12. Now we can find the answer. So we can find the measurement of angle S. Because that's 3x plus 4. And we know x equals 11, right? No, sorry, 12. So if I do 3 times 12 plus 4, I'll get 36 plus 4, which is 40. So the measurement of angle S is 40. Cool stuff, right? Now on 16, I'm going to do one more. I know there's going to be definitely some confusion. There can be. So we have to find the measurement of angle H right here. So to find angle H, I'm going to take both of this, add it together, and that's going to equal this guy here. So I know that the measurement of angle the exterior angle is GFD, right? It's going to equal the measurement of angle G plus the measurement of angle H. Oops. That should have been an angle symbol, not a plus. There you go, plus measurement of angle H. Perfect. So measurement angle GFD is a 14x plus 1. Angle G is 89. Angle H is 5x minus 7. Draw my little line to keep everything nice and clean. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to combine like terms. So 89 minus 7 is 82. Then we have the 5x still equals to 14x minus 1. I'm sorry, plus 1, plus 1. Now I can go ahead and I have variables on both sides and kind of play with them. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides. That's easy, right? Subtracting 1. Now, why work hard? We can work smart. Goes away. So we have 14x is equal to 82 minus 81, which is, no, 82 minus 1, which is 81, plus 5x. Now I'm going to go ahead and subtract 5x on both sides. So 14 minus 5x is actually going to be 9x. Bring it down to 81, right? And then the very last thing I just have to do is divide both sides by 9. So x equals 9, because 81 divided by 9 is 9. But we are not fully done yet, because they want to find the measurement of angle H. So the measurement of angle H, I know is 5x minus 7, where x equals 9. We found that out. So it will be 5 times 9 minus 7. So that's 45 minus 7, which is 38. So the measurement of angle H is equal to 38 degrees. Whew, that was a long video. I'm tired. All right, well, thanks y'all for watching. Remember, you can book me on tutorials for my Google Voice after school because we're on a winter break. If you need my help, again, always please feel free to let me know by texting me or emailing me, and I'll see you guys later. Have a great holiday season, okay?